Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Here is Maharashtra special Puran Poli coming to you from my kitchen. So let's get started with the ingredients. To make Maharashtrian delicacy Puran Poli, we need 1 cup of chana daal, which is split Bengal gram, 3/4 cup of jaggery, half cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of green cardamom powder and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg powder, pinch of turmeric and some oil. To make a dough of Puran Poli, we need 1 cup of wheat flour, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, which is maida, pinch of turmeric and pinch of salt, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Of course, we need some water. To roll the Puran Poli, we need some rice flour, and to flavor it, we need some ghee. I have soaked this chana dal after washing it 3 times for about 4 to 5 hours. If you don't have that much time, that's okay, you can directly add it in the pressure cooker. But if you soak it overnight or at least 2 to 3 hours, it's gonna give us a great flavor. And of course, I'm going to add some turmeric, and we need 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in it. That's it. Alright, so I'm going to pressure cook this for about 15 minutes. So make sure the chana dal is completely cooked. So about 3 to 4 whistles, and don't forget to add some water. Alright, so while my chana dal is cooking, let's make the dough. Alright, so here I have added 1 cup of wheat flour, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, pinch of salt, pinch of turmeric powder, and 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Mix this well before you add the water. We need to knead this dough really soft. So I'm going to add some more oil and water. I used little more than 1 cup for this much measurement. So as you can see, this is so soft. Let it set for about 15 minutes. Alright, so in about 3 whistles, and I've simmered it for about 10 minutes. You see, the dal is perfectly cooked. So I have taken this out in the strainer and straining it. So all the excess water, we don't need that. So make sure the chana dal is completely strained before you cook it further. So in typical Maharashtrian style, you need Puran yantra for this, which is gonna grind the dal completely like a paste. But since we don't have Puran yantra here, I can just mash it with the masher. So make sure you mash this chana dal really well, because this is the stuffing we are making now, the sweet stuffing. And make sure this is completely mashed just like that. This dal is completely mashed, and you see this is all soft. Now it's time to add sugar and jaggery. So typically in authentic Maharashtrian style, we only make it with the jaggery, but to make it very soft Puran Poli, we add some sugar. So let's mix it well, let it cook for about 15-20 minutes. We got to keep stirring until it thickens. Make sure it's thickened so that we can make a round balls out of it. As you can see, this mixture is thickening up now. Keep stirring it well so that there are no lumps. Another 10 minutes and we'll be done with that. So here is my puran mixture. It's completely warm now. I have not touched it for about half an hour or so. So now this is the time to add the nutmeg powder and cardamom powder. Do not add it while it's hot because it's not going to give us that flavor. Now I'm going to mix it well and make the balls. In the proportion I have taken, I have made about 10 puran balls and 10 atta dough balls. So make sure that your atta dough ball is smaller than the puran ball. Now heat up the skillet, and on the rolling board I'm going to cover this rolling board with the cotton muslin, so just like that, and make sure it's covered both the sides, every side is covered. This way you can roll the roti really nicely. If you don't have that, you can simply roll it on the rolling board, no problem. And I have taken rice flour, as I have told you earlier, because with rice flour the roti is not gonna stick on this, and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so I have added some rice flour on this muslin. Now just do this, or you can just really roll it like a puri shape. And now I'm going to add, just like aloo paratha, how we do it, just do it like this. Make sure every side is covered. Gently press it with the thumb and roll it in a circle. And this excess dough, you are going to remove it. Make sure every side is sealed and just press it like that, just like how we do it for aloo paratha. Now dip it in the flour and no pressure, just gently roll it. And instead of lifting the Puran Poli, just lift the rolling board and gently roll it from the sides, just like that. So my pressure is on my left side. Just roll it just like that. So as you can see, the puran inside, the stuffing inside is already spreading out just with the rolling. Just like that. And now I'm going to show you how I'm going to place it on the skillet. So my Puran Poli is now ready to go on the skillet. So with your left hand, put it on your left hand. Now just like that. So now the side which was on the rolling board, it should be coming up. So now the rice flour, you just have to do like that. Just remove it from here. And wait for the bubbles to come from the side. Now as I can see, the bubbles are coming out, so flip it. Look at that. Now you can either spread ghee or oil. it in half and so did you see how easy that was? Traditional Maharashtrian style Puran Poli is now ready. Enjoy this with hot milk and pure ghee. And here was my Shravan special Puran Poli ready for Naivedyam. Thank you for watching this recipe and thank you for visiting Foodland. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button, share and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.